What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna talk about how can you watch CBS live TV without Wi-Fi, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So we already done a couple of CBS tutorials, so if you need any help, make sure to check them out. And if we did not cover a specific topic in which you have troubles in, make sure to write that down in the comment section down below and we will give our best to help you as soon as we can. So back to the topic. Can you watch CBS without Wi-Fi? So guys, an internet connection is required to stream CBS. You can stream using cellular data, but please keep in mind that it will consume a large portion of data and it is not advised for customers with data caps. So basically you need internet to stream CBS, but if you don't have a Wi-Fi for any specific reason, maybe your Wi-Fi router is broken and you still have internet in your home, you can easily watch CBS with that internet connected device. Either it's a computer connected with a LAN cable to the internet or whatever, but you need Wi-Fi for the Wi-Fi devices. So basically a device that has internet only through Wi-Fi, you are not going to be able to stream CBS shows online. So overall that is kind of a problem, but again, if you have a device which is connected to internet directly with LAN or LAN cable, you can just stream CBS on that. But if your Wi-Fi doesn't work and you want to stream on a device that requires Wi-Fi for the internet, you are not gonna be able to stream CBS. So guys, overall that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.